Hello again, hello again. My name is Raul Pancho. Yes. My birthplace is Mindanao, Cotabato City, Philippines. And my father is Agripino Pancho Sr., now in Second Life in Heaven. And my mother also is Lucita de la Rita Reyes, now in the Second Life in Heaven. My father's birthplace is Cebu City, Mandawi, Cebu City. My mother birthplace is Siquijor. So I'm here. I'm coming here in Las Piñas is find the very good job. My job is driver. Experience almost 35 years experience driving cars, trucks, and any kinds of cars I can do to driving. And my experience is a very long time ago in taxi driver, almost 28 years, maybe 28 years, I'm not forgotten. But now I'm changed my job. I'm changed the private company here and driving delivery driver in here in Las Piñas City. Wow, medyo improve na ng konting atin English Kaya kailangan natin mag-i-English parati kasi darating ang araw puro na mga Inglesero mga tao dito sa Pilipinas.